Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Ubaid Laghari, student of Business Administration, Best UBTK 17, Sindhi University Campus Larkana. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of customer driven strategy and the marketing information system, as well as we will also discuss the accounting process and the usages of accounting and the digital marketing and social networking. So these are the topics that we will cover in this lecture. So starting the lecture with the brief definition of business policy, that what business policy is and how it works in the organization. So simply the business policy refers that it is a study of duties and responsibilities of top level management in order to maintain the whole system of the business as well as whole environment of the business, we can say. So the business policy involves the duties and the responsibilities, we can say the rules and regulations in order to maintain the business and its operations. So the top level management also involves in the business policy who takes the different kinds of strategy and as well as the decisions in order to maintain their business. So here is the concept of marketing information system. So if we talk about the marketing information system, so the marketing information system is a systematic process of gathering and accumulating the most relevant information in order to support the marketing decisions, so that the business can be maintained through the marketing information system and the components of marketing information system. So if we talk about the components of marketing information system, it starts with the internal records. So in the internal records, it includes the marketing strategy as well as their HRM and the finance system as well as the production system. The marketing information provide them a successful platform, we can say the successful information towards to maintain their internal record and how it works. And other components is the marketing intelligence system. So it is the system of gathering information about your competitors as well as the different brands as well as the services that they are providing to their customers and their supply of in the market, we can say. Another component is the marketing research. So the marketing research is a systematic process of gathering the information regarding the different products and services, their price strategy as well as the customers that they have targeted. So the marketing research can provide the useful information regarding the maintaining the products and services of the business. Another component is the marketing decision system. When this whole system combines, and these systems can provide the decisions regarding to the marketing as well as regarding the maintaining of the business. So marketing information system can be very useful for the organization in order to maintain their operations, we can say in order to maintain their business. If we talk about the marketing research process, it consists the different methods and different steps. So the first step is to identify the problems regarding the products and services that business is facing. So the first step is to identify the problems, and then they have to collect the information regarding to the problems that can be very useful for the business as well as to for solving the problems. So collecting the information by the different tools like by the interviews, by the social media, they can get the information regarding the customers and regarding the competitors. So the collecting information is a necessary tool for the solving the problem. And another step is to evaluate the information. Now in this process, the business and the management takes the evaluation about the information that they have gathered from the market side, and last they have to take the decision regarding to the best decision about the products and services that could be applied in order to maintain their products and services as well as to maintain their operations and products and services. So now if we talk about the why information is needed, with the passage of time due to the competition, so the demand and the need and the want of customers is changing because the different brands and the different products and the different competitors. So first the first tool is the customer need. So the customer needs and wants are changing day by day with the passage of time because of the different brands, because of the different competition. So the customer needs and wants are changing. Another is the marketing environment. So the marketing information system can provide the information regarding the whole market system, as well as the supply of the goods and services by the competitors, as well as the supplying of the goods and services from the different sources. So this was the concept of marketing information system. So another topic is the customer driven strategy. So in this kind of strategy, organization and businesses focuses on the strategy regarding to the market, as well as to make the policies and different strategies about the customers that they have targeted. So in this strategy, business focuses on the market that they have to enter, in which market we have to enter, what will be the position of the market, and what is the demand of the customer in that market. So in the strategy of customer driven strategy, business focuses on the market that they have to enter and what is the position of the market. So another strategy that has been focused by the organization is that the segments, that which segment we have to target and where we have to launch our business and where we have to offer our products and services. Another strategy is to customer. Now in this strategy, business focuses on the customer level and their age and their occupation, as well as we can say what will be the per capita income and what will be the age of our targeted customer, we can say. And another strategy is to what is to be offered. So this is the most relevant strategy that business decided before launching any kind of products and services. So what is to be offered in this strategy? Organization focuses on the 4 P's, like products, what will be the product of our company, what will be the features that will be added, and what will be the design of our product, what will be the shape, and the price, in which price we have to offer our products and services, and as well as what will be the place where we have to operate our business, and what kind of tools of promotion we have to take in order to promote our business. If we talk about the market functions, it involves the buying, selling, and transporting and storing process. If we talk about the buying process, in the buying process, the business needs to understand the demand and the need and the want of customer. Now after analyzing the demand and need of the customer, they have to sell according to the expectation of customer, and then they have to transport the goods and services from one place to another place. We can say the transport of goods and services, the shifting of goods and services till the final customer, we can say the final consumers, and then at the storing of goods and services if any case they have needed in the market. So the third topic is accounting and its usages, as well as the objectives of accounting and the financial statements. So let's talk about the accounting. So simply you can say the accounting is a systematic process of recording the financial data. We can say it is the process of recording the financial transactions and the economic transactions. Another definition is that the accounting is a systematic process of recording, classifying, analyzing, and communication of financial data in order to take the most effective and efficient decisions regarding the betterment of financial structure. If we talk about the uses of accounting, so it can be used by the external purpose and the internal purpose and the external purpose. So if we talk about the internal purpose, so the financial managers are taking the different strategies and different decisions regarding the internal purpose. Say suppose they take the decision about whether they will manage the business or not, whether they will check the position of their resources, as well as they will check the whole financial structure and the position of the company. So internal accounting can be used by the internal purpose by the financial managers of the company. If we talk about the external purpose, so it can be used by the external purpose, like shareholders. They will check and see the financial position of the company, whether they can pay our amount or not, whether they will pay us our shares or not. So the external purpose, we have the stockholders, shareholders, and the extra parties that are externally interconnected with the company. If we talk about the financial statements, so basically there are three to four financial statements. First is the balance sheet, and then income statement, then statement of cash flow, and statement of retained earning. If we talk about the statement of balance sheet, it shows the financial position of the company in a specific time period, and the income statement provides the information about the revenue and the expenses in the particular time period. And if we talk about the cash flow statement, it provides the information regarding the inflowing and outflowing of the finance. So this is the simple concept of accounting and its usage and the financial statement. If we talk about the objective of accounting, it provide the most effective information related to the financial decisions. So the fourth and last topic is the digital marketing and social networking. We will also discuss that how digital marketing plays the most important role in the success of business. So first of all, let's talk about the digital marketing. So simply, the digital marketing refers that the marketing through the online technologies, we can say the marketing that has been done by following the different technology, different tools of technology. We can say the marketing that has been done by the online as well as the marketing that has been done through the social media and using the other tools. However, the main purpose of digital marketing is just to interact with the different kinds of customer in the different demographic, the different places, we can say. So the main purpose of digital marketing is to interact with the different customers in the different areas. If we talk about the digital marketing in the business, it plays the most important role in the business as well as in the success of business and the globalization of the business, we can say. Say suppose if you are going to launch any kind of product, you just post on the Facebook, you just post on the Twitter and the Instagram. So the digital marketing has the most significant effect and the significant the tool that can expand and that can increase the positive image of your company as well as the positive image of your products and services. If we talk about the e-business means such a kind of business that has been operated through the online. We can say the online exchanging and the businesses that has been done on the social media. We can say the Facebook, we can say the WhatsApp, we can say the Twitter and Instagram. So the e-business is basically done by the online business and the social networks. So the following are the social networks. There is the Facebook and the Instagram and Twitter. So there are so many people are using the Facebook. If you are going to launch any kind of products and services, you just post on the Facebook that we are offering that kind of products and services, just come and avail that. So the Facebook is the key tool of marketing where you can market your product and services with a free of cost. And the Instagram, same, you can post on the Instagram that we are offering that kind of products and services to reach the customers. And the Twitter, you can also use the Twitter to promote your business, to promote your products and services. If we talk about the importance of social networks, that plays the important role in the success of business, because whenever you are going to launch any kind of products and services, so you can just put the post on the Facebook and social and the Instagram and WhatsApp and Twitter whatsoever. So it can reduce the cost and save your time. So this was all about the concept of customer driven strategy and the marketing information system as well as the accounting and its usages and the social networking and digital marketing. Thank you.